Hey guys, I got a new violin. Well, it's not what you think though. It's a student violin that this company sent it to me to do a review for you. Sonicake, the cake of the sonicake. Okay. So this is it. I haven't even opened it. Just got it, and I'm gonna take a look. I'm not getting paid for this. This is. I guess it's technically a sponsored video because I'm getting a violin out of this. I'm getting this violin for free. That's it. That's all I'm getting. Yeah. So let's take a look. Let's check it out. All right. So here we go. As you can see, the violin is brand new, never been opened, and you're witnessing the unboxing of it. This is probably a bridge. We'll take a look at this in a minute. Cool. Looks like it's already measured out and good to go. So we'll take a look in a second. Let's see what else I have. Ooh, a bow. Very nice. Check it out. The bow to go with your new violin. Nice. All right. Shoulder rest. Sweet. Okay. Very nice. What's this? Oh, the tuner. All right, here we go. The tuner. Handy. Ooh, wow. Okay. That's great. For beginners. It's a new set of strings. I guess it's a spare because we already have a set of strings here. And the sound post is in place, which is nice. I don't have to mess with that. Hey, very cool. All right, let's get it tuned up. Let's see what this baby can do. It should be resin here somewhere. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, sweet. We got resin. This is great. You're getting a full set. I mean, you've got everything really. If you don't have any of the stuff and you just want to get started, this is awesome. You can get, you can get started and playing in like 10-15 minutes. This is absolutely amazing. I wish I had this kind of violin available when I was learning in Soviet Union when I was a kid. You should have seen my violin. It was horrible, absolutely horrific, absolutely terrible violin. But it, made me appreciate everything else after that instrument. Basically, everything felt like a step up. So, yeah, which is great. I'm thankful and grateful for that. I hope this is the right size. We're gonna figure it out in a second. Let's see. It is the right size. Of course, the violin is crazy out of tune, but we'll tune it up. Ooh, I'm excited about this thing. I don't really need it. I have a perfect pitch. I don't really need this, but maybe you do. Hey, cool. So let's see. Ta-da! Look, it's working. It does even has a battery. Everything is ready to go, which is cool. It's fascinating to me. Amazing. I don't even know where to clip this thing. I guess sort of like this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna remove this because I already need this. But rosining the bow is definitely needed here. So let's rosin it up. Brand new hair is, you know, always impossible to play. So you have to give it enough of a rosin boost so that it can actually make some sound. First time application, of course, is always the heaviest. You have to really be generous with the amount of rosin you're putting on the brand new hair, because really that's the best way to get it going, the fastest way to get it off the ground zero, off the start, which is probably not enough, but I'll find out in a second. All right, time to check it out. So the whole thing took me to get set up from the very, very beginning to basically ready to play, something like 10 minutes. So, which is, I think, really cool, you know, considering you can buy the whole set, have it delivered to your house, and in 10 minutes you are ready to play. Think about it. That's cool. I think it's something to think about. You know, the instrument is interesting and actually can be played. Maybe slight adjustment to the bridge is needed, I think. Strings are still kind of out of tune, but hey, this is interesting for a student violin. Guys, this is not bad. This is not bad. Seriously, if I had an instrument like this when I was just starting out, you know, from day one, I had this, I would be very pleased, honestly, because this is a huge step up from what I had when I was a little kid, you know, growing up in Soviet Union and learning how to play violin. Yeah, I would be absolutely happy. Mine was much worse than this. Anyway. Very well organized, built very, very, very well. Seems like very clean, nice and clean design. What else we could ask for? Yeah, I think I'm gonna hold on to this. Thank you, sonicake. Even the bows have decent. Yeah, seriously, for absolute beginner, guys, can't beat that. You get the violin, you open it up, you set it up, 10 minutes, you're in business. Boom, that's amazing. Now, is this suitable for a professional player? Of course not. No, definitely not. No, but in violin business, you get what you pay for. And this is, I believe, like $130 on Amazon as of today. I'm filming this in November of 2025, early November. And yeah, you can buy it for like $130 depending on that deal happening at the time. So yeah, which I think is a very low barrier to violin in entry, you know, not bad, really. Yeah, forgive me for missing some notes because it's not my regular instrument. I'm not used to the finger placement here on this violin. It's brand new, and I just haven't ever played it before. So it feels a little different than my regular violin. So if we had to compare that. But anyway, my verdict with this is that, hey guys, this is my honest opinion, and I think it's worth the money. You get good value, I think, for your money with the bow, with the violin, with a little list of accessories that I mentioned earlier. Yeah, so I would, if I was buying a violin for a brand new student, for like my child, or for myself even if I didn't play violin, this would be a good starting point, very good. And it would be enough for me to make a decision, decide, hey, do I want to take it further? And if I'm improving and actually learning and getting ahead, then yeah, I would invest in a better instrument eventually down the road. Purchase a better bow, you know, better case, everything. I would upgrade everything. But to get started, this is really good, I think. Thank you, sonicake, and thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.